Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're gonna be doing a tap move. It is called the Buffalo Tap Step. But before we get into the video, if you guys happen to like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and also please subscribe to the channel. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start by doing a step. So you're gonna step out to the side, step. One more time, you're just gonna step. Now from here, your other foot is going to do a shuffle, and the shuffle is just brushing it forward, back. So your other foot is going to do shuffle. So brush forward, back. So forward, back. So let's go from the step, from the top. We do step, shuffle. A couple times. Ready, and step, shuffle. One more time. Ready, and step, shuffle. Good. Now from here, your foot is going to come down. That's up in the air. You're going to bring it down, and then your other foot is going to cross in front. So it's going to look like this. You're going to be making this position, crossing your foot in front of your leg. So from the top, we do step, shuffle, lift. So you're lifting up the other leg and crossing it in front. So again, it is step, forward, back, lift. A couple times. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift. So after you do that shuffle, you bring the foot down, and then the other foot crosses in front. So we do step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift. Okay, let's do it a bit faster. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift. Nice job. Let's try it on the other side. So you're going to use your other foot. You're going to do step, shuffle. We bring it down, lift. So again, opposite side. We go step, shuffle, lift. Again, step, shuffle, lift. One more time. Step, shuffle, lift. Okay, so let's try that a bit faster on that side. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift. Okay, so let's do it 4 times on each side to the back. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift. I believe I did 4. I wasn't counting. Let's do it on the other side now. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift. One more. Step, shuffle, lift. Okay, now to the front. 4 times each side. Ready, and starting with this foot. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Other side. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 4 times each side, but we're going to do it a bit faster. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift. Good. Other side. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift. So you can do this tap move on the spot or traveling. So when you're doing the step, each time you do it, you just move a little bit. That'll make you travel. So let's try this tap move traveling. We'll do it 4 times. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift. So let's try it on the other side. So again, each time you step, you just move a little bit. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift, step, shuffle, lift. So let's do this tap move traveling, facing the back. Ready, and step, shuffle, lift. 2, 3, 4. Next side. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you feel a bit more comfortable with this move, you can do it a bit faster. So it can look a little something like this, traveling. Ready, and. And to the other side, ready, and. So let's try that speed to the back. Get yourself ready, ready, and. Last time, this side, ready, and. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.